Alright, let's see if we can't get this thing off of there. Don't know if this is the way it comes out or not. Sure fixing to find out. By golly, I didn't have to take any of that other stuff off. Okay. I mean, that little bit is really a lot. I need to take this little snap ring off there, and it might be that all I need to do is just put a washer or a shim in behind that snap ring, because that shows to be what's kind of holding everything in place. I don't know. Let's get that out of there. Help me Jesus clip, because if it gets away from you, you're never going to find it. Hot dang, got it off without losing it. Okay, so now this is going to push out, but really we don't need it out. All we need to do is put a shim in behind. You can't see it, but you can tell that snap ring has been wearing on this thing right there. So really, if I put a brass shim on there, that's going to probably stop that. Just need to know what size that is. Looks like about 7/16, ½ inch, something like that. This little tool here is great for cutting round holes in shims. It's got a center point, and then it's got a razor blade right here, and I found that up to about a thousandths it works real well. I really don't know how much I need here. I'm going to cut 2 of them. This piece here is 5 thousandths, so maybe 2 pieces, I think. Let me double check. Yep, 5 thousandths of an inch, so 2 of them should give me 10. So that should be enough, hopefully. Alright. Let's see if that one's going to fit over this thing. Oh, good. That means it needs to be a little bit bigger, so that's even better. That one done. Let's get my scissors. Okay. There's one. Earring here, see if good and tight. Now I got to get on a vise because I can't work this. So the vise is outside, and if I lose this thing, help me Jesus find it. We got it on there. Okay. Let's get this thing back together. It's white lithium grease, in case you're wondering what that white stuff is. Okay. Okay, now it's getting this thing. Okay, let's get the blade on there, by golly. Oh man, just very little Nothing like it was. I mean, we could probably put another shim in there, but this is great. All right, well, let's go out there and try it. That looks really good. Before it was cutting almost a 1/4 inch kerf in there, but we're down to about maybe just a hair over an 1/8, which is not bad at all. That is excellent. Alrighty, well, by golly, I think we got this thing done and ready for the next project.